It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
Good morning, guys! So, may pabangs ang Mayoras. Ay, ba't ganyan? Ang pangit. Good morning, guys! Say good morning. You want cookies? You want to bake cookies? Okay, where's your tali? Can you please get your tali? And then we're gonna bake cookies. Just one.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Clark! So, good morning, guys! Panibagong morning na naman ni Mayora! So, what's in my schedule? We're gonna bake cookies. And then, I'm gonna make lemon buttered chicken. Oh, sumososyal! Sosyal! Kakalimutan mo ang ex mo. Char! So, magbe-bake kami ng cookies. Yay! Are you happy? So, all in all, naka 13 slices kami dun sa mahabang cylinder na yun. Okay, let's go. Let's put it in the oven. So, ito na siya, guys! Yummy! So, yan na lang yung breakfast niya, guys. Since it's mansari niya, pagbigyan ng bata. Napiki talaga siya sa pagkain. Ewan ko ba? I realize, pag kasama siya nagluto or nag-bake or nag-cut, kinakain niya yung food, which is really good. At a young age, parang iniisip niya pinaghirapan ko yan. Char! Sabi lang yarn! So guys, tapos na kami mag-bake ng cookies. Kumain na siya ng cookies for breakfast. Pagbigyan. So, prepare ko na yung mga ingredients for the lemon buttered chicken. So, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye! Babalik ang ating cooking series! So today, I'm gonna be cooking roasted buttered lemon chicken. Roasted garlic buttered chicken. Ay! Wait. Ayun, buttered lemon chicken. Oh, guys, alam ko na, alam ko na lulutuin ko. Buttered lemon chicken. So, ni-prepare ko na yung mga ingredients. You've got chicken, garlic, lots of garlics, and chicken, lemon, rosemary, thyme, salt and pepper, potatoes, and a butter. Guys, isi-season lang natin na salt and pepper yung whole chicken. Salt and pepper. So, binili ko yung whole chicken. Huwag masyadong umasa, guys. I cut yung itna, yung leeg niya. Parang spinal cord. Spinal cord, tao? Baliw! Parang spine niya, yung basta yung may sa my neck. Guys, yun na yun. So guys, this is optional. Liquid seasoning. Layer na natin muna yung lemon. Konti lang yung lemon niya. Right? I've got garlic, lots of garlic. Kinat ko na siya into small, yung manipis lang. Yan, lots of garlic. Sa ilalim din, guys. Ayun, eto. Nagtira ko ng konti. So, para toppings mamaya. So, ilalagay na natin yung butterfly chicken natin. Guys. Guys. Ang hirap mag-vlog mag-isa. Oh my gosh. So, I'm gonna put the buttered mixture. Ano to? Ba to, guys? Softened buttered. Ibig sabihin, room temperature siya na buttered. And then, I weighed a little bit of olive oil. Char, sa akin lang yan! Salt and pepper lang, guys. And then, a little bit of lemon. Ito yung thyme niya. You can also use rosemary, parsley, but hindi masyadong bet ni Clark yun kasi masyadong fresh yung parsley. So, I just use the dried thyme leaves. So, I'm gonna put na, guys, ha? Optional lang to corn kasi yung first time lulunod siya sa butter. So what I'm gonna try today is mag-add ako ng corn. O, diba? Buttered corn. So ilalagay ko na din yung potatoes and carrots mo, guys. Ito na siya, guys. So, hindi lang siya kaaya-aya. So mainit na siya, guys. Ilagay na natin yung chicken natin. So bake nyo siya for 30 to 45 minutes. I'll see you guys there. Bye! So, ito na siya, guys. Ganda, ang colorful. So ayun na si Senyo.
Yun, oh. Grabe naman yan. Tawag yan.
Garlic butter chicken.
Yun.
Nope.
Iba yung pangalan.
Ano bang pangalan kasi?
Hindi ko alam, lemon butter chicken. Basta yun.
Oh, lemon yata yun. Orange? Orange ba yan?
Lemon.
Para ako nasa ibang bansa?
Oh, talaga ba? Nasa Pinas ka ba?
Nakakababa
Time
ako
na,
lang.
guys.
Work from home. Grabe. Dami ko ginagawa.
Ako, work from home every day. Char! Work from home every day. Every day. Okay! Naman, guys. Clark.
Lambot ng chicken, ha? Nahiwa ko kaagad. Kaya mo na kami, ha? Kumain na ba kayo? Ano tanghalian niyo? Kami, ito yung food namin. Grabe, sarap. So, kaya mo na kami, ha? Balik na lang uli kami. Alright, mami. Close the lens in 3, 2, 1. Bye!